Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most advanced FPV drones ever made for consumers, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. Now, first let's understand what makes Avata 2 different from normal drones. This is an FPV Cine-Whoop style drone, designed to give you a first-person immersive flying experience, unlike traditional aerial photography drones. Keycap 1 Design and Safety. Compact, duct design. Built-in propeller guards. Much safer for indoor flying and close proximity cinematic shots. This makes Avata 2 ideal for beginners transitioning into FPV, as well as professionals flying in tight spaces. Keycap 2 Camera and Imaging System. Now let's talk about the camera, which is the biggest upgrade. 4K video recording. Ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view. Excellent dynamic range. Optimized for cinematic FPV motion shots. The wide FOV creates that dramatic speed and immersion effect which FPV drones are famous for. Keycap 3 Immersive FPV Experience. When paired with DJI FPV goggles. Real-time low-latency video feed. Head tracking supported, gives the feeling that you are inside the drone. This is extremely useful for cinematic filmmaking, adventure sports coverage, real estate fly-throughs, content creators on YouTube and Instagram. Pause button, small pause, realistic review moment. Now pause here. If you've ever wanted FPV flying without learning complex manual controls, this drone is designed exactly for that. Keycap 4 One Push Acrobatics. DJI has simplified FPV maneuvers. One push flips, rolls, drifts. This lowers the learning curve significantly while still delivering professional-looking footage. Keycap 5 Battery and Fly More Combo Advantage. This Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, extended flight sessions, less downtime between shots. Perfect for travel creators and long shooting days. Keycap 6 Regulatory Compliance. Very important point. FAA Remote ID compliant. Legal and future-proof for U.S. airspace. A big plus for professionals. Keycap 7 Limitations, Honest Review. Not meant for long-range FPV racing. Heavier than traditional FPV builds. Best suited for cinematic FPV, not freestyle competitions. White heavy checkmark final verdict. The DJI Avata 2 is a perfect balance between safety, cinematic quality, and immersive FPV experience.